Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Singi balang jong kata yo ki Paidbah nong snong jong snong Mawsikar kabadon hakathan langpi kilami shakmat banum Ailad de jing thmu jong ki Briew na Assam hak jingalam jong uwe Briew balaong ba ude u kontraktor u bana kajila Assam balawan ringkat kitiar kitar ya kabala suba bakade nakbenta ban Shna ya ka Surok u sodar ka snong Mawsikar u loong bahalor kate jing thmu na du kini ki singi brala ki Briew na Assam kilawan jurib sop Hendrei hak singi balang jong kata yo kita ki Briew na Assam ki persyang ya ban Shna Ïingdara bansa ki nong Trei Surok penban ketika jing temu ke pulom no hak ba ki Paidbah ke penpra bat kim shimla Ailad satya Hendrei ki sha pen phai no shu le thoru bahadien ketika jingja bat penpra ya ketika Ïingdara kita ki Briew na Assam ki let phai no Hendrei hadien ka tukane por haringkat ki pulen ke Assam ki wan biang ringkat ki pulen ke jela Meghalaya ki badon halangpi ki poi marmar ketika jaka bat haba kita banyakran bat tem mi kejikan at bat kita ki Briew ke Assam kila hab bandit phai no na ketika jaka
We have come here to analyze the situation, to see the whatever happened, we don't know. But हमने किस लिए आगे हम देखने के लिए आए situation क्या है. हम ये नहीं कि आपको आपसे बात करने आते हैं, तो आपने ऐसा एटीट्यूड दिखाना.
I'm not in the position to talk with anyone. If you want to talk, you can talk with our government and RDC.
At least we can talk now.
We just came here to make
You are representing your Meghalaya, I am representing Assam.
We just come here to make it the situation. These are my people. You ask them.
You are doing government work. You are not political. Okay. I am a political. I am analyze. You are not coming for a class. Cool down. So we need to discuss.
That's it. You see, I'm not in the position to discuss. If you want to discuss, you can talk with RDC, with our government. I have no problem. But with me, I have no authority to discuss.
It's okay. It's okay. But between your police, your police, your police. So there need to be some good communication. It should not be friend. We are beginning. We are not illegal. The people are suffering this way. We have to what is needed to become in the common sense.
You have to maintain peace and order.
Yeah, that's it. That's why what is our duty to keep both the sides peace. So basic hierarchy and this should be maintained. You can refer to your distance, I will refer to my distance. So there is no reason that we go to shout at each other.
I'm not something to shout or to do anything. Okay. But before the arrangement or anything made by our government and your government, from your DC and RDC, so all the things should stop. After everything is arranged, everything is clear, then you can proceed the work, no problem. Otherwise, you can contact, you can.
Our government, what doing is they have to clear the road, make good road. There is culvert construction.
I understand. But
So
before
for
doing
that,
all those things,
we have
things,
been, arranging our laborers. They are constructing house here to stay and to make good communication with your government and our government.
that's what, before doing the work, please make that communication.
Right.
Before starting the work, please make that communication to our government.
So this is our land. So how we need to take permission? This is our land. We have
You see,
can
I
establish.
think, you see, if I'm not mistaken, both our governments and your government have signed one MOU. So based on that, you can communicate, you can contact, you can whatever you is deemed fit from your side, you can do it. But the work should be stopped. After the proper order, after the proper clarification or arrangement from both sides, then we can start. I have no problem with that. But the work should be stopped after everything is arranged in proper way you follow the due procedure, then you can start the work.
All are in proper order, proper norm. This is our land. We are going to construct culvert here. And for that, we have organizing to stay our labors here. To process go on to
You have to communicate first
to whom?
to our government, to our police.
So this is our land. Why should we communicate to this government?
This is also is our land. The MOU between two governments already, I hope, already. So you also should understand that.
We have also paper, you also have paper.
I think both the side, before doing anything, communication should be done, isn't it? If I'm not mistaken. That is the main thing. But from your side, I think up to this date also there is nothing. So at least communicate first, and then you start
Okay,
the
let's stop later on. No, it's okay. And we'll start later.
You see, sir, if I don't, it's not my position to explain you anything, but from your side, you know that. But if you don't do that one, then we are bound to do everything.
So who is written this?
That's why I don't know. I'm not questioning that. Like,
This is our land, and if you are also settling here, you should know it. You are this thing. You are saying that this is our my people. You are representing your people. You should know. You are doing duty here.
but before starting any work, please, from your side, if you can communicate first, then we also will know what is the next step to be taken.